This summer I was an intern at Jacksport in the Government External Affairs Department, and I got to experience that and the law side, which is I'm hoping to pursue as well. And I was involved in the community outreach program as well, so I was able to talk to many people, work on my personal skills, and it was a lot of fun. I met a lot of influential people here at Jacksonville.
Jobs could range from being a clerk on the dock, being a shipping supervisor or a shipping manager. It can entail being a logistics coordinator or a logistics manager.
I chose to be part of the Academy because I wanted to get a feel for what global business is going to be like, and I wanted to explore what it'd be like to do international trade and see how I can market globally and learn more.
When they go through this program, they're going to be classified as a highly skilled worker. Right now, that's something that already there's a shortage of in the United States. Well, you're going to have a high school kid coming out of here that has that credential.
What is international trade and logistics and advanced manufacturing? International trade involves the exchange of capital, goods, and services across international borders or territories. Global logistics is the network of business partnerships that manage that flow of goods and services. These goods are often produced through advanced manufacturing, which uses technology to improve products and/or processes that are advanced or innovative. It's all part of supply chain management, or SCM. SCM touches every function of global commerce: marketing, customer relations, sourcing, manufacturing, logistics, inventory management, and information technology, or IT.
The trade is the buying and selling of goods and getting them across the water and moving them inland and moving them outward to the individual companies. The logistics part of it is the actual movement of it, and that's whether you put it on an ocean carrier, you put it in an airplane, and you get it to the ultimate customer, and everything and anything in between.
As the Employ Florida Banner Center for Global Logistics notes, the average annual wage in global logistics and SCM is much higher than all industries in Florida. And your path to a lucrative career in international trade and logistics and advanced manufacturing is through your school's Career Academy.
Because it seemed like such an awesome opportunity. First of all, because I love transportation such as ships, and I love to know how things get to where they get.
These opportunities within these academies are so far-reaching. Not only can you work in a warehouse or as a driver in a truck or even in the port, there are many different opportunities for all of these young men and women who are going through this academy. Chances to be able to go on to college, to get their MBAs, to work in an office environment that is just as strategically important as it is important to be working inside of a warehouse. Every single piece of this supply chain gets touched many times, and the right people need to be in the right place. Educated people need to be in the right place. Forward-thinking people need to be in the right place, allowing them to be able to ensure that the commerce of the world is flowing smoothly. That's what supply chain logistics is.
Because I saw this as a golden opportunity to be able to broaden my horizons on what exactly I want to do when I get to college, because everybody knows that when you're in high school, like us, there's not a lot of opportunities to explore the different kind of fields that you would be interested in. So I just really want to just get some knowledge out of the whole entire experience.
I worked at Spectrum Logistics as an intern for 6 weeks, and I learned a lot of stuff. I got to job shadow everybody. I got to see the accounting side, I got to see the marketing, inside sales, outside sales. I visited their factories and I got to see the warehouses.
I chose this academy because I was really interested in the whole process of manufacturing and engineering and building things, and that just really caught my attention.
I would tell them, don't think twice. It's like an opportunity of a lifetime, and you'll learn so much from it. There's absolutely no regrets for me, and being that I've experienced not all that the Career Academy has to offer, I've experienced a lot and I've had no regrets.
Your Career Academy provides you with the industry certification that companies are looking for, helping you get hired right out of high school. That includes the Global Logistics Associate Certification, or GLA, in Logistics and Advanced Manufacturing. And many colleges have scholarships available for Career Academy students.
For students who've gone through these career academies, it gives them a leg up, especially if they want to be managers or they want to be supervisors or they want to be analysts, because when they have that more formal education, they're just better enabled to have those jobs, to be leaders in the industry and to advance in their careers.
Right now we're doing the engineering process, like the different designs about it, design attributes, like when you do a project, you have to do documents, and you have to have different people assigned to different tasks. You have to have a manager, and you just get the feel of different positions that you would have to do in a real world job. Like being the manager, everything that your people do underneath you affects what you are known as.
Career Academies offer such a valuable tool for students. The industry is so dynamic in scope and in information that the Career Academies offer us the opportunity for students to really take a deep dive into the career, talk about some of the mechanics of the industry, and it gives them a good foundation as they start progressing in education and with their career. They have a nice foundation to really build upon from a post-secondary environment for a certificate environment, and then as they move into the workforce, some of those elements will already be obtained. The skill level will already be there, and again, those academies are very, very good that those students can really embrace what they like and they can move forward into the industry.
Yes, I chose it because it gave me an opportunity to expose myself to manufacturing processes and how you get your things out there.
We actually have been partnering with AST&L as well as people at FSCJ as well as UNF, and we've have this industry certification, the GLA certification, that basically students take a course with us every year for 4 years. At the end of their 4 years, if they actually pass the test at the end of the 4 years, they actually get 12 hours worth of college credit. It's a great program for both people going to college as well as getting a certification, going straight into work for it.
It is so interesting. I didn't know there were so many different little aspects of it, from the truck drivers to the people that work in the warehouse. You just don't realize how many small parts of global logistics and how many jobs there are.
Talk to your guidance counselor today about getting into your Career Academy and get started on a lucrative, rewarding career that impacts the world in your everyday life.